All right, now we're going back with the new fuel pump. So that's a Delphi one. I've cleaned that up best I can, and definitely the groove that the new O-ring goes in, lubricated the O-ring. I cleaned up especially the inside of the lock ring. The pump you'll see has a little locating tab. And this one I had to install the float, but just follow the instructions, whatever pump comes with. But that locating tab will go right there. So I'm gonna try to place this down in there. All right, that's in. I've got to kind of press to hold it down, and I'm gonna start by hand. Yeah, put a little engine assembly lube on there, help it thread in. I'm gonna thread that in and get it, fairly tight by hand. All right, that's pretty good by hand, so I'm gonna put the tool on it, tighten it up just a little bit, make sure it's seated, and then start reconnecting lines and stuff. All right, I did it pretty tight, and just once more until the lock clicks past that little tab on the electrical. All right, pull the cap off, little engine assembly lube on that inner O-ring. Shove that back on and click, that one's in place. And the fuel supply, same thing, cleaned it up with a little Q-tip, got it super clean. Little engine assembly loop, help that slide on. And my new little snap ring will slide on to kind of open it up to make it go around. And that should go in. One second. Oh, I had it backwards. This one's a little different from the one I took out. It slides in from that end. So that's on, that's locked. Plug our electrical in, which I've cleaned with electrical contact cleaner. Looks pretty good. Click. All right, shove that grommet back in place on the cover. I'll screw that in. Click that in place and put my seat back. All right, that's one. Whoops. That's back in place. I think the electrical connector on this one was a little bit different position. I had to slide this forward a little bit to where it comes in on that clip here. All right, line up these two front prongs for the seat cushion. Fold it down and fold down that guy. And I think that's pretty much it. Seat's installed. And you got to reach in the little slot in the seat, pull the seat belt clips up, push it down, those front parts will actually click into place. That's it. All right, turn the key, hopefully let it prime for a bit, and crank, and up she goes. We're good to go, y'all. Thanks.